Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss one problem testing of hypothesis. So last class we discussed probability, some problems in Bayes theorem and random variables. We have two types, discrete and continuous, etc. Today we are going to discuss about the testing of hypothesis. So this is under the case of statistics. So look at the problem. So suppose a company claims that their new smartphone has an average battery life of 12 hours. So average life, that is mean, is given. So 12. A consumer group tests 100 phones and finds an average life of 11.8 hours with ST of 0.5 hours. First I am going to write the given details. So given, what are the details given? So given, first n is nothing but sample size. So sample size, it is denoted by small n. That is, we have to take 100 smartphones. Next x bar is nothing but sample mean. It is denoted by x bar. So in the given problem the value is 11.8. X population mean. So it is given by mu. So the answer is 12. And sample standard deviation is given. So sample ST, the notation is S, the value is 0.5. So these are all the given details. So we have 5 steps. So what is step 1? Step 1, we have to frame null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. So null hypothesis, so the notation is H naught. So what is the statement? There is no significant difference between sample and population. So this is my null hypothesis. So we have to select the alternative hypothesis as, so alternative hypothesis H1. So opposite statement of null hypothesis. So there is a significant difference between, sample and population. So next step 2. So step 2. So what is step 2? Level of significance. Look at the problem. So here no percentage is given. So we randomly select alpha is equal to 5%. So this is the level of significance value. Next step 3. So test statistics. So what is the formula? Z is equal to, so this is, look at the n value. So n value is greater than 30, therefore Z test, large sample test. So what is the formula? Z equal to x bar minus mu by S by root n. So this is the formula for single mean and standard deviation. So what is x bar value? 11.8 minus 12, 0.5 by root of 100. So using calculator we will get minus 4. So taking more or less, we will get positive value. So more or less that value is equal to 4. So step 4, a table value. So how will you calculate the table value? So first write the alpha, level of significance 5%. So here look at the problem. Here there is no comparison between the sample and population. Therefore, it is automatically put in test. So the corresponding table value is Z alpha is equal to, it is given by the notation Z alpha, that is equal to 1.96. Next step 4, 5, conclude. So conclusion. Now I am going to compare the table value and calculated value. Look at the calculated value. Modulus Z is greater than Z alpha. Look at the value 4. So 4 is greater than 1.96. So what is my conclusion here? H naught is rejected and H1 is accepted. Therefore, so what is H1 statement? There is a significant difference between population and sample. Hope you all understand. So next class we are going to see the problem in difference of means. So we have two types. So difference of means in large sample test. Thank you, students.